In this video, we will be talking about one of the factors that leads to a change in entropy. When we're thinking about a change of entropy, we mean a change in the randomness of a system. So if we have an increase in entropy, that means that the randomness of the system is increasing. One of the factors that increases entropy in the system is an increase in temperature or the kinetic energy of a system. Let's consider an illustration of an increase in temperature. Suppose that we had this box. This will be our system. And suppose that we had many people in it. Now, suppose that everyone is moving in a random direction and that they keep on moving until they hit something, and then they will bounce off and move in a different direction. So this person might be moving towards here and might bounce off towards this way. This person might move this way and bounce out this way. And let's suppose we increase the temperature. When we increase the temperature of a system, what we're basically doing is making these people move faster. So let's suppose this person is bumping here and then going here really fast and then going maybe to here, and then maybe this person bumps into another person here and then bumps to another person and then bumps to another person and then bumps the wall. So basically what you do when you increase the temperature is you're increasing the randomness inside the system because all the particles are moving so much faster now and there's so much more collisions and more randomness. This is why an increase in temperature causes an increase in entropy. We can also relate the increase in temperature of a system to the change of state of a system. If a system changes state, then the entropy has to change. For example, let's consider that we have a block of ice. And let's suppose we add heat to it. And the block of ice now becomes a puddle of water. What happens when you add heat to an ice cube? When you add heat to an ice cube, you're basically just adding energy. So all the molecules now have more kinetic energy and would be moving at a faster pace. Similar to the last example, because the molecules are now moving faster, now in the liquid phase, that's why this corresponds to an increase in entropy. On the other hand, let's say you had a puddle of water and you decrease the heat and freeze the puddle of water into a block of ice. Now, the entropy is decreasing because the molecules now have less energy and would be moving at a slower pace.